Hi, in this episode, let's check out some mining and oil stock price movement from the Philippine Stock Exchange. So the period that I'm going to check is from December 12, 29 and up to February 11, that was last week. Okay, so let's get started. So here are the four heavily traded stocks by value. It means to say that these stocks are highly traded by stock traders. You can see that the number one heavily traded is AR, followed by FNI. AR is currently having an average uh, value of 285 million pesos exchanging hands. Okay, and its current volume is at average at 48 billion shares being traded. Okay, so you can see also that it's highly fluctuated. Okay, next we have these stock price, the four heavily traded stock price. Okay, these are the charts. Next we look at the top four less traded stocks by value. So as you can see here, the number one, which is less traded by the stock traders, is BC, with only 737,000 pesos exchanging hands, and the volume is just about 229,000 shares. And you can see also in these four stocks that they are not that fluctuating so much. So the fluctuation is very small. This is about a zero point zero 0.02 standard deviation. Okay, so it's not that really crazy going up and going down. So as you can see here, even though the BC is going up and then going down, the price difference is just very small. Same is true with CPM. The price difference is just small, 2.75 to 2.895 for this period. Same is true with DZON, 8.5 to 10, so the fluctuation is small also. And OM is from 0.38 to 50. It's just a difference of about 0.12 centavos. Okay. Now let's check out the top four high risk, high gains, loss stocks. So these stocks has a potential to make high gains and a potential also to have if you make a error, high losses. Okay, so we have AR again with a standard deviation of 0.1755. So this is highly fluctuating on a daily basis. Okay, so it is highly traded, and because of that, so it's highly fluctuating. Next is OPM, then OV and UPM. Okay, so AR also has the highest volume with 48 billion shares being traded every day. Okay, so 285 million by 48 billion, so that's much. Okay, so if you can look at the stock price, so it really is jumping from 0.004 or less than 0.004 going to zero point 0, more than zero point zero 0.01. So it's highly, all of them are gaining more than or twice the much as their value. Okay, so you can also here also see UPM, which is from 0.006 goes to zero point 0.012, so that is twice the value. Okay, same is true with OPM. So as you can see, they are highly fluctuating and also provides with high risk and high gains. So high gains for those of you who bought these stocks. So if you you sell it at a high price, you have technically high gains. But if you sell it at, or if you bought it at the high price and you just sell it lower, so you have loss. So high risk, high gains, high loss stock can be found by looking at the standard deviation of the stock price movement. Okay, that's about it. Next, we have the high beta stock. So what is a beta? Beta is just a measurement of the sensitivity of a stock on a particular index. In this case, we compare it to the Philippine Stock Exchange index. Okay, so it means that if the stock index goes up or goes down, what is the effect on the current stock price? Okay, currently the the four stocks which has the highest beta, okay, is UPM, PXP, FNI, and nickel. So it means to say that the stock is highly sensitive to PSEI fluctuation. So it means to say that one fluctuation or a huge fluctuation or some small fluctuation of PSEI will yield a high fluctuation of this particular stock. Okay. For the negative beta, we have the maximum negative or the top negative beta is OPM followed by coal. So it means to say that if you have a negative beta, so it's inversely sensitive to PSEI stock price PSEI index movement. So if PSEI moves positively, so basically this stock moves negatively, okay, it's moved downward, but it will not move the same as the PSEI movement in terms of percentage, because it is less than -1. So if the stock is less than -1, okay, is between this range, it is less sensitive to the fluctuations of the PSEI. Okay, so the index. I did not compare these stocks to the index of the oil and mining stock because I prefer comparing it to the overall index of the market. Okay, next next and the last one, we have a top highly correlated stock price movement. So OPM and OVIS seems to go up and down with the same. So I am very curious why from this period here up to this of the now, they have the same stock price movement, literally the same up percentage and same down percentage, okay, as expressed by the log returns here on the left. So if you own these two stocks within this period, so the returns of these two stocks are almost identical with each other. Not really identical, but probably almost identical returns on a daily basis, because their movements are really correlated with each other. Okay, so that's all for now. So hope you enjoy this video and I hope you learn a lot, and I hope this information will be valuable in your decision making process in which stocks in the oil and mining sector are popular, are highly traded, and all sorts of stuff. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and the bell. Okay, thank you. Bye.